Alright, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel Metaverse. You are listening Shanawaz Ahmad. Okay, as you know, we are learning JavaScript, and JavaScript is basically a very dynamic language. So, we will continue with the declaration of variables. So, we will quickly review and how it works. Basically, I have written down some of the codes so that it won't take more times and you will be able to understand what is going on actually. So here I have written some variables, like I have initialized var as an x, that is equals 17, and var y equals to 16. Then I gave var z, and I did not give the value. What I did then, I'm going to do the condition that true and false. That is called boolean if you know, if I have told you that z equals to x, if x greater than y, then let us know is it true or not. ठीक है, तो when we do the console.log z, because z equals to this x and y if x is greater than y. So let's see what will happen if I control S, it is safe, and if I go to my console, that is saying yes, right? Because the x is greater than y. X is 17 and y is 16, so it is saying yes. If I do something like see, like this, and if I save it and then I go to console, it's saying no. See what's going on? You are getting the point how the JavaScript works. So now come to the other point. We have as var num equals to 2, num equals to num dash dash, or you can say minus minus. So what will happen? That will basically minus 1 whenever there is minus minus, which means that it will minus only 1. So let's see what will console.log num do. Okay, if I save it and then go to console, see it's showing 2. It did not do anything. What mistakes we are doing, let me check. Okay, let me tell you this thing later on. We talk about the total cost over here and how basically it works. Here I would like to let you know that whenever there is a mathematics in JavaScript, how it works. For example, total cost, I have made a variable with the name of total cost, and I'm giving its value that 5 plus 3 multiplied by 4. So how will it work? What will you think that what will be in console.log? What will be the answer? Like it will like 5 plus 3, 8, and then 8 multiplied by 4 equals to 32, or what you think? So let me tell you how it basically works. It works like it comes from here, it works from here, like from right to left. From it will first multiply 4 multiplied by 3, then the answer will be plus with 5. The answer would be 17. So let's see. If I do console.log in it and see this, see the answer is 17. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So that is how it is working, you know. So try it at your end and keep doing practice how to initialize this. And let me tell you one more thing over here we have is I declared var c equals to 8 and then var d equals to 9, and what I did is d plus equals to c. So what will it do? It will plus, it will take this 9 and it will plus 8 and it will say that d plus is equal to c. If I do console.log d, what will be the answer? The answer would be 17. Let me show you. Here you can see the 17 is the answer, right? Wow. So getting the things, how is it working? So keep doing practice and check my another video which is coming right after this, and you will be learning a lot in this.